Well, good day, everybody. Glad you could join me today. All right, September 10th. Temperatures are dropping like crazy. We're getting 2, 3 Celsius at night. And the warm point of the day averaging 13 to 15. So it was time to make sure that everything was well covered. Frost can't be trusted. So the main part of the garden, as you can see, is well covered. I use shade cloth and spread it out pretty good. That way, if we do get frost, it won't touch any of the plants. And I'm still capable of harvesting. I just opened the side entrance right there. I removed a couple of clips, and that's my entry point. But everything's doing good. Sunflowers are pretty well at its peak. Right now it's just the seeds that are starting to darken. I still have to harvest some of my cauliflowers, which I'll do that when I finish the video. 1, 2, I got 3 more to harvest. As far as cucumbers and all that stuff, like that's pretty well all done. All the cucumbers are done. My melons, I picked 8 cantaloupe and honeydew melons. I think 4 or 5 honeydew and the rest were cantaloupe, so that's good. Pumpkins are doing all right. Got a lot of them. Tomatoes. Man, I'm bushels and bushels of tomatoes. I can't get over it. And some are so big. It's crazy. But it's working out pretty good. The kohlrabi, it's on its last legs. We only got a few left. We got still the whole row of red because they take longer. But the white and green, we're eating that 3 times a week. But all in all, it's coming along. Near the end of the season, right? Yellow beans are pretty well done. Yeah, pretty well done. But I still have my potted tomatoes. They're doing okay. What do I got left in here for honeydew? I got 1, 2, 3 left. The rest I picked. I picked all the broccoli, so I removed the plants. We still have our Brussels sprouts that we never started picking yet. Soon. We started harvesting our celery, dehydrating. But yeah, so far not too shabby. Won't be long for the Brussels sprouts. It's already starting to roll. What else? All right. Let's go look at the greenhouse. Right now, I do have the shade cloth on, and that's because the plants in there are so massive that it's touching the walls of the plastic, and I just didn't want to frost to harm them whatsoever. But I also keep it on when it was temperatures over 33, 34 Celsius. I put the shade cloth on so it wouldn't dry out all my plants all the time. It'll keep the humidity pretty good in there. But you got to really pay attention to your interior heat, that's for sure. Okay, we'll check that out in a minute. Now, as far as my herbs go, that's pretty well coming to a close. What's left is just whatever shoots I'm getting, especially for my dill and stuff like that. I still got a lot of tomatoes. And my cherry tomatoes, man, I got vines everywheres. It's still full. We've been eating these cherry tomatoes daily. And vine after vine. So that's feeding us well. Now, the horseradish, again, I won't harvest that for another couple of years. I'll let it take over this bed, and I'll keep my herbs and all that for the next couple of years in there. But the cherry tomatoes, these are the yellow ones. There's unbelievable amount. But what I did this year as far as that goes is I did an experiment. Usually I wait until they're, I don't know, 3 feet high or whatever, and I start suckering them, taking off the new growth. And I was getting lots. But this year I decided, let her rip. I didn't pick nothing. I just let it all grow. And man, did they take off. And then September 2nd, I was out deer hunting, and the wife came and suckered some of it. She covered it all for the frost. And now we tipped it. I just finished tipping it all to stop the growth and to mature the tomatoes. Blueberries, well, that's gone. All right, let's take a look at the greenhouse. All right, just an update on the greenhouse with the pepper plants. What you see in front of you right now is all my habaneros. And they're polluted with peppers like crazy. Just on this one tree, I counted 116. And it's full. All the way down, all the way through. Now this side, it's getting so heavy with the peppers that all my plants are starting to lean. I don't know if it'll pick them all up, but it's full. And there's still lots coming. Look at that. Still lots coming. Wherever you go, there's still full of green ones. I can't even get back there. Anyways, yeah. As long as you maintain your greenhouse and keep your temperatures below 31 Celsius. I found a good heat was between 25 and 30, 31. Once it gets more than 30, 31, make sure your back window's open and make sure your door's open. And I find that when the heat exceeds 34, 35 Celsius, don't be afraid to put shade cloth all over your greenhouse. And that's what I've done there. Just help control the heat, and you'll produce a lot of fruits. A lot of fruit. It's crazy in there. These plants are probably 3.5, I don't know, 3.5, maybe almost 4 feet tall. Even you can't tell because they're all folded over. But look at that. Look at the peppers in there. Can't wait to start harvesting them. Any day now. Take care, guys. Bye now.